What the fuck? Oh my god. Keep dancing. Come on, dance. Dance.
No.
Yes, dance.
I'm not gonna do it. I have to listen to you. You're not the boss of me. That stays on your phone, by the way. Please. Watch, she's gonna show it to Dave.
She's going to YouTube it. That's what she takes to the one with Dave out here acting crazy like that.
What was Dave doing?
What was he doing?
I'll show him the video.
And acting all goofy, and she's like, "Go, go, Power Rangers!" And he's all walking seriously.
Was he all like,
Yeah. Walking from over there to come back and doing his rounds.
Dance.
I am not your worker monkey. You do not grind the organ and I go, dance.
Dance, Daddy,
Dance.
Dance, dance, Big Daddy.
I can't dance. I suffer from white boyitis. I was born without rhythm.
Oh my goodness.
You dance all the time. Go ahead.
Right.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen, small fry.
You do it all the time. So why can't
No,
you
I
do it now?
don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. La 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 la. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Right.
Rewind.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Say it.
Oh yeah? What's up?
What's up? What's up? Oh, hold on, let me flinch.
Delayed reaction.
Are you gonna dance?
I'm not going to dance.
Just dance.
But like I
Catch
pointed
him
out before,
randomly.
I pointed this out before.
Go ahead,
And I'm
dance.
going to tell you words to live by. Heavy petting leads to unwanted pregnancies.
I'm just waiting for him to dance.
And like I said before, I have a toast for everyone. To lesbians and virgins, thanks for fucking nothing.
I know they don't think they're coming in here. It's 8:30. You can tell them lobby's been closed.
The lobby is closed.
Oh my god. Just dance.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
Especially when there's a car there.
So?
Doofus.
Doofus.
Doofus. You are what the Latin call a Dorcas Malorcus.
Just dance.
A Dorcas majoris.
Oh my.